All right, welcome back, traders. John Caruso here, June 16th. Of course, we are in the wake of the FOMC meeting yesterday. We did hear from the BOE, who raised a quarter this morning. The SNB, the Swiss National Bank, raised 50 basis points in a surprise rate hike this morning. So we've got global tightening happening right now. Stock market's off by about 3% this morning. We do have bond yields actually coming in a little bit here an hour after the open to 336 on the 10-year yield. 322 on the 2-year yields, and gold prices are hanging right around yesterday's upper level, right around 1831 right now. We do have energy actually coming off right now. We do have crude oil sitting right around 113 a barrel at the moment. Could be a buying opportunity in there. However, that rally has gone a long way. We know the fundamentals longer term are very bullish, but you got to be very, very careful in this type of volatility. I mean, we're seeing 5, 10, sometimes 15% moves in these markets intraday. We just saw a 16% move in natural gas 2 days ago. So you got to be very careful. If holding a lot of cash in your account is what makes you comfortable at the moment, I think that's probably a good idea. There will be opportunities, but we don't see any really at the moment. So that's kind of where we're at with it. Going back to Jay Powell's speech yesterday. Now, the one problem I have, other than him raising 75 basis points head on into a massive growth slowdown, is when he told the American people that he sees no signs of an economic slowdown. Well, if you just rewind the tape, just 6 hours earlier, we saw the retail sales number come out, negative 0.3%. Going back to last week, we just saw the consumer confidence number reach an all-time low. And then just 1 hour prior to his speech, the Atlanta Fed lowered their Q2 GDP forecast to 0.0%. So why the gaslighting by Jay Powell yesterday? Well, in my personal opinion, you can't tell the American people that the economy is slowing and that we're about to see an uptick in unemployment and in the same breath raise 75 basis points. So that's the problem I have with some of our government institutions right now. The Federal Reserve specifically is that they're unwillingly not telling the truth right there directly to the American people. That's exactly my issue with some of our government institutions right now. We are seeing broad signs of economic slowdown, but we just heard from the horse's mouth yesterday, Jay Powell, that he sees no signs and he is moving forward with a 75 basis point rate hike. So that's my problem with the Federal Reserve. I think this is what Jamie Dimon was speaking of when he says we're going to see a financial hurricane over the next several months. Will we have to see Powell pivot at some point in one of the next 2 or 3 Fed meetings? I think it's entirely possible that could happen. So obviously stay nimble out there, hold a lot of cash, be careful. We'll catch you back here next time. Good luck to everybody out there.